Idea pins are definitely something you want to try for your Pinterest strategy to improve traffic and sales. But what even are they and how do you use them to increase your website traffic with Pinterest? You will find out in this video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel I talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Idea pins used to be called story pins, but now they've changed a little bit. They are more of the reels of Pinterest because you have a special watch page where you can watch them in the Pinterest app. And they are built with different slides and images or videos. How do you create idea pins? You create idea pins just as you would a normal pin, but you go to create in your Pinterest account and click on idea pin. Then you create new pin and you can add multiple images up to 20 slides and videos up to 60 seconds of video. Now maybe you're wondering, why should I even create idea pins if I already have a Pinterest strategy with my regular pins and everything is going great? Let me give you a few reasons. First, your idea pins will show up under Create on your Pinterest profile, being the first thing that somebody sees when they click on your profile. So you can use it for guides, showcasing new products, or just giving updates. Your idea pins will also show up under Watch in the Pinterest app, and that will be a great potential for you and your account to be found by new people and get new followers. You can use them for guides or for things that normally wouldn't fit in a regular pin. Now, you cannot add links to idea pins, but you can add one under notes and people will be able to take that link and go to your website, or you can just use an idea pin as a way to get new followers to your profile, and then from there they will click on your website. They are a new and effective way to grow on Pinterest. People really enjoy them, and if you use them right, they can grow your traffic, your Pinterest profile followers, engagement, and of course your sales if people use them to go to your website. Now, what is my advice for using idea pins on your profile? My advice is using them in different ways until you can see what works for your account and what doesn't. As any new feature on any platform, as a business, you need to test the waters and see what works for you. Obviously, keep these idea pins in your niche and try and focus on a target audience. I've had clients get 3K views on an idea pin that I've just posted a few days ago, and I have clients which I posted some idea pins for and they only got 100 views over time. That is not because the idea pin is not good, it is because the topic is not that interesting to them. And that's okay. You need to test it out and see what works and what doesn't. As for how often you should add these idea pins to your profile, I suggest adding at least one per week, if not 2 or more per week. The more you post, the more results you're gonna get. Now, how do you actually create an idea pin and what should it have? Should you optimize it for SEO normally as you would any other pin? Let's see. So the first thing you need to do once you click on Create Idea Pin is to upload all your images and your slides and then just drag and drop them in the order you want them to show up. You can also include videos amongst them. You can do videos and photos, or you can do only photos or only videos. Next, once you've added those, you have the ability of adding text on the idea pins from the Pinterest app, so from the browser. And you'll be able to do that easily from there. Choose your colors, choose a background color if you want, and choose how big or small you want your image to be or your text to be. I suggest at the end slide to add your website link and something about you so people will know you and will want to check out your profile and go see more of your content. If you're looking for templates for idea pins, I share 5 of these as a bonus in my 65 plus Pinterest templates product, so if you're interested in that, get the one-time offer in the link below. Now, for the idea pin title, yes, you will need to optimize it for SEO as you would any other pin. Now, for this one, you won't have a description, but you have the title. So in the title, add as many keywords as you can, optimize as you would a normal Pinterest pin. After that, for idea pins, you will need to select a board in which the pin goes first, and then of course you will have the ability of scheduling it with Tailwind to go in multiple boards. But then another thing that you have for idea pins that you don't have for regular pins are tags. These tags are used to show your idea pin to the right people, whether it is on the home feed or in the watch section in the Pinterest app. So I suggest only adding tags that are completely relevant to your idea pin. Don't add general tags and don't don't add tags that are from too many categories. For example, even if your business sells men's clothing and women's clothing, if your idea pin is about women's clothing, only add tags about that specific pin. For example, you want to showcase a dress in an idea pin. You have tags such as women's fashion, you have dresses, dresses by style, dresses by occasion, dresses by texture, and all that. You can add up to 13 tags, I believe, and I suggest adding them all if they are relevant to your idea pin. Next, you have the option of adding ingredients or notes. So in there, if you have notes to add about that, if what you have there is a recipe, you can obviously add the ingredients you use and everything else. If not, again, notes is a special place where you can add your link or your website link, or just give something to people such as a small description on your pin. So that's the place where you can do that. The next thing is to publish the idea pin and then schedule your tailwind to go in multiple boards. Again, your idea pins will be visible on your Pinterest profile in the created tab, and people will be able to like your idea pin, click love, or favorite it. As analytics for idea pins, you will get how many views they've got, how many saves, and how many likes or loves they've got. Again, people won't be able to click on your idea pins and go to your website directly as they would with a regular pin, but they will be able to find your profile, and this is why it is so important to have your website claimed on your profile. So make sure to do that so they'll be able to go to your profile and check out your website and the rest of your content. So that is all that I had to say today about idea pins. Again, if you want to check out my Pinterest templates, the link is in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out in creating a unique Pinterest strategy, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.